So we have the Navy fighters just airborne. For this display, watching where the pilots are. Just run down of the aircraft to tell us what we're looking forward to. Yeah, well, we've got Wildcat, Bearcat, and the Corsairs. Wildcat, you know, it's an early war carrier plane, very robust, very sturdy, but occasionally seated, I think it's fair to say, by models coming out. Top speed development, nearing 30 miles an hour, which, you know, by 94 years kind of okay, but it's totally awesome. It is a fighter plane.
Fighters display, estimate time 15 your display, I will call you. Navy fighters covered.
Again, very versatile, very agile, and a leap ahead, I think that's the big one. We'll see aviation technology, colour plane, we'll see them have to peaks of performance at this stage. I mean, the Bearcat's still being used in the 1960s. See there, behind us. For the children in the audience, if you've seen the film Spike Disney, then you'll recognise the Corsair because Skipper in the Disney film is actually a Corsair. So for you children that haven't been to Airshow and seen a Corsair before, you can think about Skipper in that film as these guys are flying these magnificent aircraft in the next display. So we have flying for us today in the Bearcat, we've got Pete Kinsey. In the Wildcat, Stu Goldswick. And then we have the three Corsairs, we have the Fighter Collections Corsair flown by Brian Smith. We have one for France, which is flown by Baptiste Sallis, and for the Flying Balls Corsair, it is Eric Goujon. So we're getting ready for this next performance. I'm very excited about this one. We have a 5-ship formed up behind us, and they'll be running in. Don't know if they're making it, so start of that, the Navy pilots. And again, we were talking about courage, we were talking about Danielle, how big what it also takes to have courage. If you want to read a very good account of what it was like being a naval aviation Pacific, I can't recommend enough. Carrier pilot by Bearcat, Wildcat, and 3 Corsairs. Enjoy this one.
What altitude are you holding